Ever wondered how cryptocurrencies work? What makes them so secure and how transactions get verified? Well, you're not alone. The world of cryptocurrencies is not only intriguing but also revolutionary. It's a realm where traditional forms of money take a back seat and digital or virtual currencies rule the roost. Cryptocurrencies are a fascinating blend of technology and finance. They're digital currencies, yes, but what sets them apart is their use of cryptography for security. This means they're incredibly secure and almost impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Now you might be asking, what's cryptography? In simple terms, it's a method of protecting information by transforming it into an unreadable format. Only those who possess a special key can decipher it. In the case of cryptocurrencies, this key is a complex mathematical algorithm. The real marvel, however, is not just this digital currency or the cryptographic security it employs. It's the technology that underpins it all, a technology known as blockchain. Imagine a chain, but instead of metal links, you have blocks of information. Each block contains a record of transactions. Once a block is filled with transactions, a new block is created and linked to the previous one, forming a chain of blocks, hence, blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized public ledger where all transactions are recorded. This means it's not controlled by any single entity, and transactions are transparent to all the network participants. It's the backbone of cryptocurrencies, ensuring every transaction is verified and secure. So, in essence, when you're dealing with cryptocurrencies, you're stepping into a world that's secure, transparent, and free from the traditional constraints of financial institutions. Now, let's delve into the world of blockchain technology and demystify its workings. This is where the real magic happens, and where we unlock the full potential of this revolutionary technology. What exactly is this blockchain we often hear about? Is it as complex as it sounds? Well, not really. Let's dive right in. Imagine a massive digital ledger open to all, but secure enough that none of its entries can be altered or deleted. That, in essence, is what blockchain technology is. It's a type of distributed ledger that stores transaction data across numerous computers rather than in a single location. The genius of this design is that it creates multiple copies of the same information, making it extremely difficult for anyone to manipulate the data. Let's look at this more closely. Each block in a blockchain contains a list of transactions. These transactions could be anything from a financial exchange to a record of goods in a supply chain. The crucial part is that once a block is completed, it's added to the chain in a linear, chronological order. Every new block that's added contains a history of all the previous blocks, hence the term blockchain. But how does blockchain ensure data security? Well, each block is secured using a cryptographic principle known as hashing. This means that the information in a block is transformed into a string of characters. If someone tries to tamper with the data, the hash changes, alerting the network to the alteration. Transparency, on the other hand, comes from the fact that the blockchain is accessible to all participants in the network. This means everyone can see and verify the transactions. Remember the public ledger we mentioned earlier? That's what this is. Everyone can see the entries, but no one can change them, making the system transparent and trustworthy. To sum up, blockchain technology is a groundbreaking innovation that offers a new level of security and transparency in the digital world. It's a system that's open to all, yet secure from manipulation. In simpler terms, blockchain is like a digital diary that's transparent, secure, and cannot be manipulated. Now, isn't that a fascinating concept? So how does this digital diary, the blockchain, actually work? Well, let's break it down. The blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across many computers. The crux of this technology lies in its structure, a series of blocks, hence the name blockchain. Each block stores a certain amount of transaction data. It's like a page of this digital diary that records who has sent what to whom. Once a block is filled with transactions, it's time to add it to the chain, but before that happens, these transactions need to be verified. Enter the miners. No, not the ones with pickaxes looking for gold. In the world of blockchain, miners are powerful computers that solve complex mathematical problems. These problems are so intricate that solving them essentially means verifying the transactions. This process is known as proof of work. Once the miners solve the problem, they essentially sign off on the authenticity of the transactions. Remember, this isn't a one-miner show. Several miners are simultaneously trying to solve the problem, and the first one to do so gets to add the block to the chain. This is where the concept of consensus comes into play. Consensus in blockchain networks is crucial. It's the agreement among nodes or participating computers about what the correct state of data is. In simpler terms, it's how the network agrees that the transactions are legitimate and can be added to the blockchain. After a block is added to the chain, it is there to stay. There's no editing or deleting. Each block also contains a unique code called a hash, along with the hash of the previous block. This creates a chain of blocks linked to each other, making the blockchain secure and tamper-proof. The process then starts all over again with the next set of transactions and the next block. This continuous, transparent, and secure process of recording transactions is what makes blockchain a revolutionary technology. Once a block of transactions is verified and added to the chain, it stays there forever, making the blockchain a permanent and transparent record of transactions. Blockchain is not just about cryptocurrencies. It has a myriad of other applications and advantages. But what are they? One of the most significant advantages of blockchain technology is improved security. Unlike traditional databases, blockchain uses advanced cryptographic techniques to secure data, making it virtually impossible for cybercriminals to alter or tamper with information. This level of security is a game changer in industries where data integrity is crucial. Next, let's talk about cost reduction. Blockchain eliminates the need for middlemen in many processes, such as money transfers and contract execution. This direct interaction between parties not only speeds up transactions, but also significantly reduces costs. Now on to transparency and trust. With blockchain, every transaction is recorded and visible to all participants in the network. This transparency builds trust among users, as they can verify transactions independently. Plus, once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be changed, further enhancing trust in the system. But blockchain isn't only about financial transactions and cryptocurrencies. It's a versatile technology with numerous applications across various sectors. For instance, in supply chain management, blockchain can provide a real-time end-to-end visibility of goods from production to delivery. This can help reduce fraud, improve inventory management, and enhance customer satisfaction. In healthcare, blockchain can secure patient data, ensuring privacy while allowing secure access to medical records. This can lead to improved care coordination and patient outcomes. Even the voting systems can benefit from blockchain. It can ensure secure, tamper-proof voting, potentially revolutionizing the way we conduct elections and reducing electoral fraud. From real estate to music industry, from education to public services, the potential applications of blockchain are virtually limitless. As we continue to explore and understand this technology, we may see even more innovative uses that can transform our lives and the way we do business. Clearly, blockchain technology holds the potential to revolutionize various sectors with its unique advantages. So, now you've got a basic understanding of blockchain technology, but what's next? Well, the journey to understanding blockchain doesn't stop here. This is just the tip of the iceberg. As we've seen, blockchain is not just about cryptocurrencies, it's much, much more. It's a groundbreaking technology that's poised to revolutionize a multitude of industries, from finance and healthcare to supply chain management and beyond. The more you delve into the world of blockchain, the more you'll realize its immense potential. It's the backbone of a new technological era, a digital revolution that's shaping our world in ways we've never imagined. And the best part? You and we're part of this exciting journey. As the world continues to uncover the power of blockchain, we're seeing a growing demand for professionals in this field. Blockchain developers, analysts, consultants, these are some of the most sought-after roles in the tech industry today. The opportunities are vast and the possibilities endless. If you're passionate about technology and eager to make a difference, there's no better time than now to dive into the world of blockchain. And it's not just about building a career. Understanding blockchain can help you make informed decisions, whether you're investing in cryptocurrencies or exploring new business opportunities. It can empower you to navigate the digital world with confidence and foresight. So, what's next? Keep learning, keep exploring. There are countless resources out there to help you deepen your understanding of blockchain. Engage with the community, participate in discussions, attend webinars, read books, take online courses. Remember, knowledge is power, and as you continue on this journey, remember to have fun. After all, it's not every day that we get to be part of something so revolutionary. So embrace the challenge, enjoy the process, and let your curiosity lead the way. The world of blockchain is vast and exciting. Keep exploring, and who knows, you might just become a part of this revolutionary technology.